Unveiling the power of show our resistance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that often pops up in conversations about standing up for what we believe in. Show our resistance. This phrase is not just about opposing something. It's a declaration of our ability to stand firm, to advocate for change, and to protect what matters to us. So, if you're ready to deepen your understanding of this powerful expression, stay with us as we explore its meaning, usage, and significance in the English language. First, let's dissect show our resistance. At its core, this phrase combines two key concepts, show and resistance. To show means to display or make visible. Resistance, on the other hand, is the act of opposing or standing up against something you disagree with or find harmful. When we put these words together, the phrase embodies the act of openly expressing opposition or dissent against a challenge or injustice. Show our resistance is often used in contexts where a group of people or a community comes together to oppose policies, actions, or situations that they find unjust or unacceptable. This can be through protests, writing, art, or any form of expression that makes their opposition known. It's about making a collective stand and being visible in the struggle against what is perceived as wrong. To better grasp how this phrase can be used, let's look at a few examples. 1. In social movements, the community decided to show their resistance to the new policy by organizing a peaceful march through the city. 2. In personal challenges, facing discrimination, she chose to show her resistance by excelling in her studies and proving her detractors wrong. 3. In art and culture, the artist uses his paintings to show his resistance against environmental destruction, portraying vivid scenes of what we stand to lose. Each example demonstrates how resistance can be shown in various ways, depending on the context and the individuals involved. Understanding and using the phrase, show our resistance, is about more than just opposing something. It's about actively participating in the shaping of our societies and personal lives. It underscores the importance of voice and action in the face of adversity. For English language learners, grassizing this phrase means not only enhancing vocabulary but also gaining insight into the cultural and social dynamics that language can convey. We hope this exploration of show our resistance has been enlightening. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication but also a means to express our collective and individual wills. Whether you're learning English to engage in global discussions, understand different cultures, or express your own thoughts and feelings more effectively, phrases like these enrich your linguistic and cultural comprehension. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep showing your resistance in the face of challenges, and keep learning.